Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can enable two-factor authentication, which is 2FA, on Discord so that you will be able to keep your account secure. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log in with your Discord credentials, and then you will go to your user settings, which is this gear icon right here. And once you're here, what you will have to do is scroll down and you will see passwords and security or this authenticator app. So what you will have to do once you see this, you will just have to click enable authenticator app and then just wait for it to load. And now you will just have to follow these steps so that you will be able to make your account safer. So first you will of course download your authenticator app. You can download either Authy or Google Authenticator for your phone or tablet, and then you can scan the QR code. You will open the authentication app that you've downloaded, and then you will scan the image to the left using your phone's camera. And then you will log in with your code and then enter the 6-digit verification code generated here. And then you will just have to click activate. And that's how you turn it on. And that's basically just it. And by the way, Discord will ask for your account password, and then you will just have to enter it after and then continue. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.